Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the file manager for Minecraft. First, you'll need to locate your main Minecraft installation directory. This is crucial for accessing all your game files. We'll then explore the purpose of essential folders, such as saves for your worlds and resource packs for visual enhancements. Remember, regularly backing up your game data is a vital step to protect your progress and creations, ensuring peace of mind. Finding your Minecraft game files is straightforward across different operating systems. For Windows users, simply type %appdata% into the Run dialog to quickly access the roaming folder, where you'll find the .minecraft directory. Mac users should navigate to Library, then Application Support, and finally the Minecraft folder. Linux users will typically find the .minecraft folder directly within their home directory. Knowing these locations is your first step to managing your game. Once you've located your Minecraft directory, managing your worlds and resource packs becomes simple. To add a new world, just place the downloaded save file into the Saves folder. For resource packs, move the pack file into the resource packs directory. It's important to remember that some files, especially resource packs, might need to be unzipped first before you place them into their respective folders. This ensures they load correctly in your game. The file manager is also essential for modding and troubleshooting. To install mods, simply drag and drop their files into the mods folder, which is usually created after installing a mod loader. A critical step before adding any new mods is to always back up your entire game directory. This prevents potential data loss. If you encounter game issues, deleting corrupted files from specific folders can often resolve common problems, getting you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.